Which market are you addressing at the first?
Actually, we are addressing the regular consumer market. Of course, as any kind of complicated technology, complicated device, the initial price was quite high. So we try to keep it inside the market level, but it's something around the top area of high-end kitchens. Next step is cost optimization. When you start optimize the cost, make it less expensive in the production and so on. So this is like a next stage which we are going to achieve. Our base model is to use it for the consumer market because we strongly believe that the freshly cooked meals at home, it's one of the most powerful market in the world. Yeah, because that's what every people try to get, even Uber eating or any kind of food supply chain. They try to deliver the recipes or the ingredients or the ready meals at home, and this is a huge market. Yeah, that's everybody understand. They're not focused to the restaurant. Okay. They focus to the final customer. They believe that it's a big market. That's why, again, it doesn't mean that there is no market in the commercial sector. It's a big market in the commercial sector as well. But we are focusing mostly on the consumer market because of the future. Yeah, because we think in the 2050s, 60s, 70s, 80s, people definitely will have much more variety of dish available than they have now. Yeah, and that's what the people really like. Yeah, because even the people try to explain that it's not so important to have a lot of different dish from a lot of different chefs, or they are happy with a very simple meals. It's not true. The people wants to try different dishes. They wants to try something new because it's too boring to eat every time the same things. The people try to get good feeling, nice taste, very healthy dishes. The same time they want to have very different dishes, whatever they want.
What do you think is the future of a smart kitchen?
When we built our first proof of concept prototype, we built the prototyping platform when the people can choose a recipe from the different parameters set. In terms, they can choose the calorie, they can choose the basic ingredients, they can choose the chef names, they can choose the number of person whom you need to serve this dish, and basic on those filters they find the recipe which is matched with these parameters. After that, people can order ingredients from the ingredient supply chain for this particular recipe. It means that they don't need to extra ingredients, they need to order exact amount of the ingredients we need for this recipe, and which is very good for the future, because in this case there is much less waste than we have now. And also you can order some equipment through the website. So in this you can cover, we will covering all the infrastructure in terms of around the kitchen for our concept, even for our concept prototyping stage. Now when we are going to the product development stage, we are much more deeper in this area, and we definitely will deliver the whole infrastructure to the market.
Okay.
Not only kitchen.
Okay. Thank you very much again for your time.
Yeah.
And enjoy your staying here in San
Thank you very much. It's a very beautiful place. I like it.
Thank you.
Yep.